Hello, and welcome to another video tutorial from Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. In this video, faculty will be shown how they can restore a deleted grade item. You can see that I have my course open in my web browser. To begin, I'm going to navigate to the grades link in the course nav bar. I'm going to click that. It defaults to the Enter Grades screen, so I need to go to the Manage Grades screen and click on the second tab here. On this page, I'm going to select More Actions and then View Event Log. The page is going to open with a log of created and deleted grade items. Next to the grade item that you would like to restore, you could just click that Restore link and the grade item will be restored to your gradebook. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to override the template. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning.